Evening, everybody. Just a couple updates. I'm going to be doing 6892, which we've done before. This is the shirt that I had the button down, and a lot of people have asked me about the shirt. So I'm making another one right now. And I'll have that video out in a couple days. This is going to have button down, and the sleeves will be banded. You can buy elastic string in the sewing department if you want to just make a little hem and then you just sew the elastic stitching on, and it would kind of give you that ruffly look. And that's with the neck, the same thing. It's just a little hem, and then you just do a couple rows of that elastic string, and that will also gather it. I'm doing it with bias tape, and I'm gathering it. So I'll have this video out in a couple days. I also ordered 2 nightgown patterns from Butterick. So when I get those in, we'll be doing those. One had a top and, you know, the little pants, which I thought were really cute. They're, I don't have a picture of them, but they were really cute. So I'm going to do that. So there's a couple of things we're going to be doing. So don't forget to go to the special video and put in me in the comment. My brain's going. Put in the comments me, and whoever wins, I'll send you a free pattern for the month of July. And there was one other thing, and I just can't remember. But it's getting late. I have to go for a CT scan on my lungs tomorrow. So I gotta get headed to bed, get my bird to bed. But you all have a good night. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe, thumbs up, comment. And I'll try to get this out in a couple days for you. You all have a good night.